in Maharashtra and other parts of the country. He was a bigot. He was a tyrant. He imposed jizya on every unconverted Hindu, which was discriminatory. He forbade all public worship of the Hindu faith. He also had his pluralistic brother, Dara Shikoh, murdered. Aurangzeb raised hundreds of temples in present-day Rajasthan and other parts of the country. Viewers, I have said this before, but I will say this again, and I run the risk of being branded an Islamophobe for speaking about Aurangzeb's reality, his bigotry. From taking out Aurangzeb's carnival to glorifying him on Instagram posts, the ecosystem has gone the extra mile to whitewash Hindu hater Aurangzeb's legacy. Tipu Sultan to Aurangzeb both have been highly divisive figures, both in life and death, while self-appointed secularists have hailed them as freedom fighters and national heroes. For the right wing, they represent tyranny and oppression for most Indians, in fact. You've seen what happened in Ahmednagar and in Kolhapur, but sample the reaction of the ecosystem. The Maharashtra government has warned. In fact, the Home Minister Devendra Fadnavis went on to say, and I'm using his words, "We will take strictest action against Aurangzeb ke aulad." The Chief Minister has warned of strict action too. The BJP is linking this to naked appeasement politics.
लोग शांति से रहे या राज्य में शांति रहे, अमन रहे, इसके लिए सभी लोगों ने सहयोग करने की आवश्यकता है. आणि कायदा हातात घेणाऱ्याला पाठीशी घातलं जाणार नाही, याच्यावर कारवाई केली जाईल, हे या ठिकाणी सांगतो.
जो औरंगजेब का फोटो दिखाते हैं, औरंगजेब का स्टेटस रखते हैं और इसके कारण एक दुर्भावना समाज में पैदा हो रही है. सवाल ये उठता है कि अचानक इतने औरंगजेब के औलादे कहाँ से पैदा हुई, इसके पीछे कौन है, ये भी हम ढूंढ के निकालेंगे. लेकिन मेरे सबसे निवेदन है, कोई भी कानून को हाथ में न ले.
32 महीने की जो सरकार थी उसमें इस प्रकार की प्रवृत्ति को काफी समर्थन दिया गया. अब उसके ऊपर कंट्रोल लाया गया है. जो हिंदुस्तान के द्रोही थे उनको हीरो बनाने का प्रयास करेंगे तो सरकार उसको चलान नहीं कारवाई होगी.
तर ह्या लोकांना जास्तच अगर औरंगजेब आणि टिपूचं अगर प्रेम उफळून येत असेल आणि जास्तच त्यांची आठवण येत असेल आणि ही अगर मस्ती आमच्या महाराष्ट्रामध्ये बंद केली नाही तर औरंगजेबाकडे पाठवण्याची सगळी सोय आमच्याकडे आहे.
Now listen to how the ecosystem, which has often backed the likes of Tipu Sultan and Aurangzeb, are lashing out at the Shinde Sarkar over law and order. Some have in fact gone on to say that what's wrong? What's wrong in glorifying Aurangzeb or by taking out a carnival to celebrate his legacy?
नहीं, समझो किसी का पोस्टर कुछ दिखाया या बताया, इसलिए 2000 में हमला करना, एजिटेशन करना, इसकी कोई आवश्यकता है? ये क्या इशू है?
औरंगजेब एक अलग मसला है और टीपू सुल्तान एक अलग मसला है. टीपू सुल्तान ने अंग्रेजों के खिलाफ इस देश में लड़ाई लड़ी है, ये इतिहास में दर्ज है, कोई झूठ नहीं है. भाजपा जिस तरह से स्वतंत्रता संग्राम से जुड़े हुए लोगों का अपमान करती है वो गलत है.
मेरे ख्याल से होम मिनिस्ट्री का एक इंटेलिजेंस सोर्स होता है, तो ऑब्वियसली इसमें कुछ गड़बड़ हो रही है ना. इनका इंटेलिजेंस क्या किया जा रहा है, कितनी चीज़ें, मैं आपको 10 चीज़ें बता सकती हूँ विच द इंटेलिजेंस हैड वार्न्ड गवर्नमेंट ऑफ महाराष्ट्र एंड द होम मिनिस्ट्री हैज डन नथिंग. सो इट्स अ फेलियर ऑफ द मिनिस्ट्री.
और भाजपा जो है वो दंगे फैलाना चाहता है. इस तरह से किसी व्हाट्सएप पे और इससे दंगे नहीं होते. कोई औरंगजेब का फोटो लिया और इस तरह से दंगे नहीं हो सकते. ये जो बहुत गलत चल रहा है कि महाराष्ट्र के चुनाव जैसे नज़दीक आ रहे हैं, लोकसभा के चुनाव जैसे नज़दीक आ रहे हैं, तो ये चाहते हैं कि फिर से हम लोग हिंदू मुस्लिम दंगे करें और सत्ता में आए, लेकिन इसका उनको बहुत ज़बरदस्त कीमत भाजपा को चुकानी पड़ेगी.
Can Aurangzeb be passed off as a symbol of secularism as the post Ganga Jamuni Tehzeeb? Let's remind you of some of the things he is responsible for. Krishna Janmabhoomi, Aurangzeb allegedly raised Keshav Dev Mandir to build Shahi Idgah Mosque. In the Kashi Vishwanath temple allegedly destroyed by Aurangzeb to build the Gyanvapi Mosque. Trambakeshwar Jyotirling allegedly raised by Aurangzeb in 1680 AD, and a mosque was built. There are several others, and everything has been documented by historians, both Indians and those of foreign origin. Let's open this up. Shweta Shalini, spokesperson of the Bharatiya Janata Party, Rahul Ishwar, Ratan Sharda, political analysts, Varis Pathan, national spokesperson of the AIMIM, will be joining us shortly. Faizan Mirza, the supporter of the Nationalist Congress Party. Kamruzaman Chaudhary of the Congress completes the panel. Good evening, all of you. Faizan Mirza, did you hear what Sharad Pawar said? He says, what's wrong in Aurangzeb's poster?
उनके स्टेटमेंट का विपर्यास किया जा रहा है यहाँ पर. He didn't say that. He said that कि अगर औरंगाबाद में पोस्टर झलका तो उसके पड़साद पुणे और कोल्हापुर में क्यों देखने को मिलता है? क्योंकि ये जो हो रहा है महाराष्ट्र के अंदर, ये एक बहुत ही बड़ी साजिश के तहत हो रहा है.
नहीं, क्या हो रहा है? मुझे सबसे पहले ये बताइए, एक एक करके बात करते हैं. फैजान मिर्जा, मुझे फैजान भाई आप एक बात बताइए मुझे, औरंगजेब कौन था पहले ये बताइए पहले, औरंगजेब था कौन?
देखिए, हमको हिस्ट्री में जाना ही नहीं है, हमको अभी के मुद्दे पर बात करनी है.
नहीं, हिस्ट्री में क्यों नहीं जाना? औरंगजेब कौन था?
औरंगजेब किसी की नजर में अच्छा था, किसी की नजर में बुरा था.
आपके नजर में क्या था सर? आपके नजर में क्या था?
देखिए,
मैं देख रहा हूं, आप मुझे बताइए कि आपके नजर में औरंगजेब क्या था. मैं देख रहा हूं.
देखिए, मैं फिलहाल यहां पर औरंगजेब के बारे में आप पूछ तो रहे हैं मुझे, मैं जो शख्स हमारे लिए एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं करता, मैं उनके बारे में कुछ बोलना ही नहीं.
अभी तो आपने बोला कि किसी के लिए अच्छा था, किसी के लिए खराब था. आप कौन से कैटेगरी में, ये बताइए.
मैं किसी कैटेगरी में नहीं हूं, मैं सिर्फ यही बोल रहा हूं कि वो कुछ भी था जब हमारे लिए.
नहीं, कुछ भी था नहीं. एक मिनट.
नहीं, जब हमारे लिए
नहीं, कुछ भी था नहीं. औरंगजेब कौन था?
नहीं,
अगर मैं आपसे पूछूं दाऊद इब्राहिम कौन है, बुरहान वानी कौन है, ओसामा बिन लादेन कौन है?
वो तो सब गलत लोग हैं.
नहीं, तो वो सब गलत लोग हैं, तो औरंगजेब कौन था? सही लोग में थे?
क्या बोल रहे हो?
औरंगजेब कौन था?
वो भी गलत ही थे.
तो अभी आप बोल रहे थे कुछ लोगों के लिए अच्छे थे, कुछ लोगों के लिए खराब थे.
जो हिस्ट्री हमने सुनी औरंगजेब के बारे में, जो हिस्ट्री हम लोग सुनते आए हैं,
तो अगर गलत थे फैजान मिर्जा, अगर अभी आपने मान लिया, आई एम ग्लैड एटलीस्ट यू एक्सेप्टेड कि वो गलत थे. अगर गलत थे तो क्या उनका ये कार्निवल जो चल रहा है,
कि वो अच्छे थे,
ये कार्निवल है? इज दिस लेस देन अ कार्निवल विच इज गोइंग ऑन रतन शारदा? एंड देन यू हैव द लाइट्स ऑफ फैजान मिर्जा हु कम ऑन नेशनल टेलीविजन and say things like किसी के नजर में अच्छे, किसी के नजर में बुरे.
Ganesh, I will not even go to Aurangzeb's exploits all over Bharat, because that is something everybody knows in history. Since we are talking of riots in Maharashtra, since we are talking Kolhapur and Aurangzeb life, I will just explain first of all, जो शरद पवार जी ने कहा कि एक जगह गड़बड़ होती है दूसरी जगह क्यों होते हैं. In 1993 there was this bomb blast which Sharad Pawar ji invented a bomb blast in Muslim locality trying to balance Muslim and Hindus. He is that leader. Secondly, when Hazrat Shrine, there was a theft of alleged Hazrat Prophet's hair, there were riots all over India including Bangladesh. Why were they there? It was Congress rule. Then when Rohingyas were trying to be settled in Maharashtra and other places, there was opposition, and the Muslim groups created riots in Maharashtra. It was NCP Congress government at that time. Why the riots took place all over India? Who were Rohingyas? And as far as the anger of Hindus against Aurangzeb is concerned, imagine Shivaji's son was skinned alive. He was tortured for a month. His eyes were gouged. And if the people feel there is nothing wrong in glorifying Aurangzeb and the way Sambhaji Maharaj was treated, then what can I say? There was Tarabai who fought Aurangzeb for 8 years before him. There was Rajaram who fought him for 11 years. They kept Aurangzeb at bay in Maharashtra, and Aurangzeb died a disappointed man in Maharashtra. He's destroyed temples not just of 1 or 2 places, Trambakeshwar, Ellora, Narsinghpur, Pandharpur, Jejuri, Yawat, Kolhapur, Mahalakshmi was destroyed by some, recreated by Sambhaji Maharaj, was destroyed by Muslim invaders. This is the history. When you say, "Aap kyun bhadakte ho?" try to understand Kolhapur as a seat of power for Marathas. And I'm very embarrassed that Sharad Pawar claims to be a Maratha, but he says, अगर औरंगजेब ने कुछ के बारे में अच्छा किया, बुरा कह दिया, तो क्या हुआ अच्छा कह दिया तो? So these people live on hypocrisy. These people want riots. Now somebody takes out a poster, AM takes out a poster of Aurangzeb, celebrates him for whatever he has done to others, and then you say, yeah, why are people upset? And then AM is not responsible. It is BJP who is responsible. Hindus are responsible. So this reminds me of the age-old Mughal Empire days when Hindus are always supposed to be at loss. They were always supposed to be ones who will bear the brunt of every kind of injustice, whether it's jizya or any other kind. And not today we are glorifying such a person. What do I say? Nothing but total hypocrisy to say that BJP is encouraging it. Remember, till 2024, they will keep on getting riot-like situations. It is for us to be very careful. This tamasha of Aurangzeb celebration, from what I've told you, tells you that AMA wants riots, they want this destabilization, and there is hum bichare victim, hum bichare pareshan, and Sharad Pawar will beg these people.
But what's behind Aurangzeb Prem? That's the fundamental question. Let's try and put it to Waris Pathan, who's with us, national spokesperson of the AIMIM. Will be going across to him shortly. Rahul Ishwar,
just
would you like to? I know you have a lot of things to say, but just put it in context for the panelists and our viewers. Who was Aurangzeb?
Aurangzeb is a person who imprisoned his own father Shah Jahan and treated him very badly. He had a brother called Dara Shikoh, who was a pluralist. He translated Vedantic text. He wanted some kind of Hindu-Muslim unity. And Aurangzeb killed his own brother, who was much more of a pluralist and rather than a hardliner. So this is the history of Aurangzeb. And how can you discount all that? If you want to celebrate a Muslim historical person, celebrate Dara Shikoh, who is a much more acceptable figure, who was kind of a Sufi, who was trying for much more of Hindu-Muslim confluence. But rather Aurangzeb, who was a hardliner, we all know. If you want to celebrate Akbar. If you want to celebrate Dara Shikoh. But this is not regarding any Hindu-Muslim thing. They want to play a clever victim card. They want to raise Aurangzeb first. Naturally, people will react. Now they will say that we are being hounded, we are being hunted. So, if someone suspects it's a clever ploy to trigger a victim card, they cannot be blamed. So it's a clever pattern of, inviting some kind of wrath upon oneself, playing victim card, playing some kind of a we are victim in this land card. And this is very unfortunate. And Aurangzeb, as we all know from history, is one of the, he has committed, like Ratan Shardaji said, he has committed innumerable crimes of unspeakable hues against the Hindu community, demolished temples. So please be honest, Aurangzeb didn't even do justice to his own family, his own brother, his own father, along with Hindu community. And you want to celebrate Aurangzeb and make him a Muslim hero? Please rethink of that.
Waris Pathan is with us, the national spokesperson of the AIMIM. Good evening, Waris bhai. Why do we need Aurangzeb posters?
Yeah, good evening, good evening. Yeah, first let me clarify one thing, that the person who is showing the poster has nothing to do with our party. He is nowhere connected with our party. But I think there is a pattern going on here. Whosoever talks about the Muslims or Aurangzeb, immediately he is connected with the AIMIM. It is not so. He is not connected with the AIMIM, and whosoever has committed such kind of thing, the police machinery is there. They must take steps to ensure that peace prevails. But second thing which I would like to bring before your notice is that I condemn all kind of violence. Nobody has a right to take law into their own hands. But today is a clear-cut failure of the BJP government. They could not control the riots. It is a failure of the intelligence. What prevented them from staying that proceeding of the Hindu Sangathan who they went for this dharna? Who gave them permission? They started this. Now the BJP person come before the media and they are shouting like they are giving hate speeches. One of the BJP's MLA, sitting MLA of the BJP, just now I saw on the television channel saying that agar zarurat pade talwar utha lenge. Now is this not an incitement? And what action will be taken against that person, that MLA of the BJP who says that we will pick up the talwar utha lenge? Why no action against him now? Why no condemnation for violence? We condemn all kind of violence, and I give a message through your channel also that please, nobody has a right to take law into their own hands.
I'll tell you.
But yet the BJP MLA itself, they want to take law into their own hands.
Waris Pathan, all very well for you to say what action will be taken against questions the BJP guy. No, 1 minute. That the BJP spokesperson Shweta Shalini will answer. Shweta, I'm coming to you in 10 seconds. But Waris bhai, when Sar Tan Se Juda slogans were given by some of AIMIM's own leaders.
Hang Nupur Sharma. His spokesperson said, hang Nupur Sharma.
What action was taken?
All kind of slogans.
What contempt? Did he throw him out of IMM? Don't be hypocrite.
Imtiaz Jalil is still part of AIMIM.
He's still your MP.
All such kind of slogans. We
he's still your
No,
MP.
you will condemn the slogan but keep the man. And you want the BJP to walk the talk. Why don't you set the bar high, take action against Imtiaz Jalil and then ask the BJP to follow suit? Let's do that.
Our party made very clear. No, when he made a statement, our party said that no, it is his personal view. We never supported. But does the BJP
Personal
ever
view?
condemn the statement made by
No,
their
what is this personal view?
Their own MPs when calling for boycott of Muslims.
What is
When
this
they call for
personal
the
view,
boycott
Waris?
of Muslims,
Waris
do they
Pathan?
take any steps?
But how is this? How can Sartan Juda be a personal view of
Does this
anyone?
mean-
Is it democratic, sir? You tell me. You've been a lawmaker, sir.
I condemn
You're a
them.
reasonable voice.
I condemn.
But can it even be a personal view, Waris
See,
bhai?
this is not good. If I am
Throw
speaking,
him out.
somebody else talks in
Throw him
between,
out.
then I
You
would
have the
allow that
guts.
person to make his point statement.
You have the
Even I
guts
know how
to
to
throw him
intervene.
out.
Ratan Sharda,
I know how to
let him
interject
answer
in
that
between.
question.
Allow
1
me
minute.
to
Let's
make
not
my
talk
point,
over each
please.
other. Yes. Waris bhai, answer
Yeah.
that question. How can this be a personal view? Is this democratic to say
I
Sartan se
condemn-
juda?
I allow. First of all, nobody took the name of Sir Tan Se Juda, even if somebody has taken. I strongly condemn such kind of statements. I condemn Sir Tan Se Juda's statement. I also condemn the statements saying that Mulle kaate jayenge, Ram Ram chillayenge. Those statements also I strongly condemn. I condemn all kind of statement leading to violence. But does the BJP or their spokesperson ever condemn statement made by their spokesperson or by their leader?
Shweta Shalini, quickly answer that. Then I have a question for Waris Pathan. Shweta Shalini, answer that.
In the name of cow, they slaughter Muslims, they kill them, they lynch them. But have they ever condemned them?
Let Shweta Shalini answer that. Ratan Sharda, I'm coming to you after this. Let her now answer, sir, please.
Statement made by the BJP leader.
First and foremost,
Let her answer. Waris bhai, you just asked her a question. Let her answer.
Because the two people that you saw on video raising the Aurangzeb posters are now under arrest and they are clearly workers of AIMIM. He needs to go back and check. Second, he also said on national television that the Hindu front actually sat down and then it is that actually created the stir. No, it was a peaceful protest, but the only time that actually it took turn is when the stones started pelting. Please go back and check, Pranesh, that which were the stones, which were the shops which were closed.
What was the intelligence doing?
Particular stop.
No, I'll tell you. 1 minute. 1 minute. No, 1 minute. Waris Pathan, now answer this, sir. Answer this question.
Those were pelted.
1 minute.
This is
I have a straightforward question for you, Waris Pathan. Have you heard of Akbaruddin Owaisi? Does he belong to AIMIM? Shweta Shalini, I get your point.
Criminal.
Okay, I get your point. Let me ask this straight question. Waris Pathan, have you heard of Akbaruddin Owaisi?
Yes.
Does he belong to the
he is my
AIMIM?
leader. Yes, I said he is my leader. I belong to AIMIM. Yes,
Okay.
he is my leader.
Did he not visit Aurangzeb's tomb?
Full leader of our AIMIM Telangana. Yes.
Did he not go to Aurangzeb's tomb, sir?
Well, Aurangzeb tomb. Allow me. Aurangzeb tomb is a protected monument under the ASI. ASI comes under Modi. Tell Modi to take out a circular that nobody has a right to visit there and we will not go there. I'll take out a circular. We will not go there. It is an ASI protected monument. Release that. We will not go there.
Okay,
Simple as that.
okay, just because
But you don't
there
want
is
to
an
do that.
no.
You
So-
want to play politics of polarization, and then you want to blame us for everything which is being done by the BJP because of their failure, because of them. You want to blame the other person because now BJP knows that they are losing
No,
the
so
election.
because there is a because this is an ASI protected monument. No. So then you stand by everything what Aurangzeb did. When you go to worship someone at his tomb.
What we are asking. Why are some leaders...
Shweta Shalini, 1 minute. I'll have to lower your fader. Shweta Shalini, please, 1 minute. Let's get Ratan Sharda into this. Ratan Sharda wanted to say something. Yes, Mr. Sharda.
A very simple proposition. If there is a ASI monument, fine, but you are going there and paying homage. There doesn't mean you are visiting some tomb, you are paying homage. That is point one. Secondly, forget about Akruddin Owaisi. Mr. Waris Pathan sitting here talking about non-violence and all that. Did he not say 15 crore, 100 crore पे भारी पड़ेंगे? Will he say that was a personal opinion? He is not himself.
False.
Will he disown himself also?
Irrelevant.
And
That was
yeah, so
irrelevant.
let him answer that.
False. False. Going to a tomb is bad. Then why did Advani went to Jinnah
अरे
State
अपना
grave?
बताना, 15 वर्ष से 100 करोड़.
Father went there.
Please
Advani
tell
ji
me
went to
15
Jinnah
crore
grave
versus
of
100 crore.
Pakistan. Huh? Why
Just
did he go
talk
there?
about 15 करोड़ versus 100 करोड़. 15 करोड़ से 100 करोड़ आपने बोला था ना वारिस भाई.
अरे for that you
आपने खुद को डिसोन किया क्या?
What was that for?
आपने
What
डिसोन
was
किया
that
खुद
for?
को क्या?
वो तो अलग बात था.
आपने
अरे
खुद को
अलग
डिसोन
बात
नहीं किया.
था. मैंने तो
आपने
कहा
एमपी
था
को
कि
डिसोन
15
वो
करोड़.
अलग बात था.
नहीं.
आप बोलेंगे
किसने
अलग
कहा?
बात था. आपका एमपी
किसने
बोले
कहा?
अलग
क्या
बात
कहा?
था. सब अलग बात था. आप बोले तो सब अलग बात है. और कोई बोले तो आपको गुनाह हो गया दुनिया भर का. अब 6 लोग लिंच हो गए.
अरे हमने बोला जो लोग इस तरफ
150
हुए
हिंदू मारेंगे उसकी बात नहीं करेंगे.
उनके
गौ रक्षक मारेंगे उसकी बात नहीं करेंगे. आपका काम केवल आग लगाना. यही आपका काम है.
तलवार उठा के
अपने
मार
खुद के
डालेंगे.
15 वर्ष से 100 करोड़ की अलग स्थिति है. लुक एट
आप बना रहे हो.
इसे 100 करोड़ 15 करोड़ में अलग बात थी.
मोर्चा किया था.
यानी वो गाली
हमने
देंगे
नहीं किया था
पब्लिक
मोर्चा.
में, इंसाइट करेंगे और बोलेंगे मैं नहीं था. वो कौन था?
अरे वो तो मैंने CAA
कौन सा जिसने बोला था?
कि जो CAA NRC
Now, you know, no, such is the state of things. Ratan Sharda and Waris Pathan, 1 minute. Let's get in all the others.
मैंने कहा हिंदू
Now, Waris Pathan, 1 minute. Faizan Mirza, I'll come to you. Gather your thoughts. I'm coming to you. In 2018, for chanting Ganpati Bappa Moria, Waris Pathan, the true secular, was hounded. He was forced to apologize.
Yes.
I apologize to Allah. I did not apologize to any human being. I said, Allah, if I have committed a sin, because in
Who asked you to apologize?
If you pray to a deity,
Who asked you to apologize?
Allah, if I have committed something,
But who asked you to apologize, Waris Pathan?
My conscience.
Your
my
conscience. Why did you say Ganpati Bappa Moria? Who asked you to chant Ganpati
My
Bappa Moria?
conscience, that's it.
Your conscience.
I see.
No, the
we
cameras.
live in a
No, the
secular
cameras
nation.
forced
I
you to
attend
chant
Ganpati
Ganpati
Pandals,
Bappa Moria,
I
and then your
shouted,
conscience
Ganpati
comes into
Bappa,
the act and
shouted,
tells you to
what?
apologize.
So what is the harm? Don't you send Chadar to Ajmer Dargah? Don't you or Modi or BJP people that send Chadar to
Ajmer Dargah and Aurangzeb's tomb. No, 1 minute. Aurangzeb's Dargah. No, Aurangzeb's Dargah. Aurangzeb's Dargah. 1 minute. The Ajmer Dargah and Aurangzeb's tomb are the same for you. Waris Pathan, you tell me. No, 1 minute. Prime Minister Modi does not send chadar to Aurangzeb's tomb. No, 1 minute. Waris Pathan, you answer this question. Ajmer Dargah, Aurangzeb tomb एक ही है आपके लिए? एक ही है क्या वारिस पठान साहब? एक ही बात है. अजमेर दरगाह और औरंगजेब का टूम एक ही बात है. औरंगजेब का जो टूम है वो भी दरगाह है आपके लिए.
अरे आपने कहा वर्शिप करते हो.
नहीं, मैं आपको बोल रहा हूँ. आपने तो बोला हमारे नेता हैं. आई एम प्राउड ऑफ माई नेता. वो तो चले गए थे वहां प्रेयर करने.
हमारे लिए ऑफ कोर्स. तो आप बोलो प्रेयर नहीं, मुसलमान सिर्फ अल्लाह को प्रे करता है.
सेलिब्रेट करने होमाज, ठीक है, होमाज के लिए उनके कॉन्शियंस ने तो नहीं बोला ना. सो हिज कॉन्शियंस इज क्लियर.
उसमें
No, unlike your conscience that pricked when you chanted Ganpati Bappa Moria, Waris Pathan, what are you saying? Why did you chant Ganpati Bappa Moria when you didn't mean it? No, why did you say it when you didn't mean it?
In my constituency,
to appease people, you said it.
I go there, I'm invited at the
Okay, so in front of people, first you said
my
it.
Hindu brothers know me very well.
Now,
my Hindu
Rahul
brothers
Ishwar,
know me very well that I did not do any wrong. Nor did
the
I.
Hindu brothers, even the Muslim brothers are watching and listening, Waris Pathan.
My Hindu brothers.
Waris bhai, please.
I enjoy with my Hindu brothers and Muslim brothers. I live in a democratic secular country. Yes.
अब ये ब्रदरहुड का सर राज खुल रहा है. अब आप ब्रदरहुड राज खुल रहा है. राहुल ईश्वर, yes.
Waris bhai, just one submission.
मैं तो ब्रदरहुड में क्या राज खुलेगा?
It's very sensitive for us. Second, Moria Gosavi is one of the greatest Hindu saints, and it is standing and respecting. So there is a difference between paying respect and so-called worship. Second, more important point.
If I say
please remember, the more important point is don't provoke. The more important point is Aurangzeb is a very provocative figure. For example, if somebody is putting up Hitler's photos as statues,
who's provoking today? You are talking about history today. The BJP ML is provocating.
Waris bhai, please listen for a second. If somebody is going to put Hitler's pictures, if somebody is going to put Hitler's pictures in their Instagram, our Jewish brothers will feel sad and provoked. It's very natural because they have a very contentious history. If somebody is going to celebrate God, say,
take action against those people who have
bad. In the
take
same
action
way,
as per law against whosoever has
a very
put those kind of
contentious
pictures on
history, then there can definitely be some kind of provocations. So please
take
understand,
action as per
just
law.
like Hitler or just like God
No,
say,
I said take action as per law.
Aurangzeb is a very polarizing figure.
Everything, no, 1 minute, Varis Pathan, everything is not just legal. What about the conscience here?
To make my point.
No, you make your point, sir. You had all the time. What about conscience here, Ratan Sharda?
I am talking.
एक कॉन्शियस वन वे होता है इनकी जब गंगा जमनी तहजीब होती है when they want to have their way there is Ganga Jamuna. If some other wants the way then Jamuna dries up. So these are, as he totally is exposed today, totally exposed. And I will go back to original proposition. You cannot worship somebody, you cannot celebrate somebody who has tortured Sambhaji Maharaj, who haunted Shivaji Maharaj, destroyed temples in Maharashtra itself, whom all the Marathas fought, and who was a process ruler by God, and then you say usko kuch farak nahi padta. It shows the insensitivity towards Hindus, and if Hindus protest, they suddenly say they play victimhood card.
Let's get in the Congress into the mix. Shweta Shalini, I'll come back to you. You want to come in? Kamru Zaman Chaudhary.
Condemn violence first.
Kamru Zaman Chaudhary, who was Aurangzeb? We've had this debate
discussion.
People who are taking out talwars.
First you condemn the instigator.
Condemn his statement. You are supporting him. You become a co-accused with him then. Condemn that.
No, okay. Let's not talk over each other, gentlemen. Please, Ratan Sharda, Varis Bhai, Varis Pathan, 1 minute. Kamru Zaman Chaudhary of the Congress.
Civilized debate. Let me tell Pranish. Let me tell Pranish who Aurangzeb was. Aurangzeb, according to me, is a dog whistle right now. That is acceptable to hate and use violence against present-day Muslims. That's a one-line statement of who's Aurangzeb.
Now,
you have
Kamru Zaman Chaudhary, do not trivialize this. No, 1 minute. You can have the rhetorical flourish at the end. But
you are trivializing this, Mr.
I am
Pradesh.
not. Who was you are playing with Hindu sentiments? The man responsible. No, 1 minute.
Showing you the mirror.
What is trivial about debating Aurangzeb's people who are waving his posters, taking out a carnival? Can't you see these pictures? What is there to celebrate about Aurangzeb's legacy? That he broke Hindu temples?
After 30 minutes, you are interfering me with 10 seconds. You are interfering me within 10 seconds.
You have your victim card ready. आप ऐसे सीधा उठा लेते हैं कि बोलने नहीं देते. माइक म्यूट कर दिया Kamru Zaman Chaudhary. ऐसे मत कीजिए, please. I ask you a straight question.
Don't play the Aurangzeb का औलाद card. Don't. Let me answer it first. If you have the courage to listen.
I have the courage. Do you have the courage to call out Aurangzeb's bigotry? You don't have the courage, Kamru Zaman Chaudhary.
Listen. Aurangzeb was long decided 400 years ago. The Sikhs, he committed atrocities against Hindus. He committed atrocities against Sikhs. There were wars fought against Aurangzeb. He was defeated by the Sikhs also. He was defeated by the Jats also. But how does that 2023 relate the present day Muslims with Aurangzeb of 350 to 400 years ago? It doesn't have any relation.
No, but who is linking Aurangzeb to Muslims? No, 1 minute. I object to this. No. Kamru Zaman Chaudhary, who is linking Aurangzeb to Muslims? You are. You are in your mind. Your party is. Kamru Zaman Chaudhary.
No.
This is an unfair assumption that you've made. No one is linking Aurangzeb.
Let me.
You asked Varis Pathan, does he agree with you?
Will you let me submit the evidence?
Of course, submit, sir, submit.
Let me give you the evidence. Who is linking? Today, the Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra said, "Ye Aurangzeb ke aulad." December 2022, our Honorable Prime Minister of India, he brought in the Aurangzeb episode out here during Guru Gobind Singh's birthday.
And do you remember the context? Do you remember the context where the Prime Minister spoke about Kamru Zaman Chaudhary? Now, don't cherry pick facts. Kamru Zaman Chaudhary, you have this habit of cherry picking facts. I am not allowing this, sir, please. I am not allowing this. If you want to get out, no, 1 minute. If you have a problem, I am not allowing this. What did the Prime Minister say? What did the Prime Minister say? You tell me.
On facts.
No, which part of what the Prime Minister said about Aurangzeb and his atrocities irked you? Which part?
He mentioned the Mughal ruler's name again, speaking on the occasion of 400th birth anniversary of Sikh Guru Tegh Bahadur, who was beheaded for refusing to convert to Islam. But don't you think the Sikh religion
not true?
and the Mughals
Is that
have
true or
already
not?
settled their differences
Is that true or not?
hundreds of years ago?
Is that true or not?
It is true.
There you
But
go. If it is
Pradesh,
true, then why is it a
true.
problem?
It
Why
is
do you have a
true.
problem with the
But
truth?
Kamruzamanji,
But that's the problem, Kamruzaman
Come on,
Chaudhary. Why are you protesting against the
Come
truth?
on. No, I cannot shout over you when you don't.
I am
want to
not
listen to
shouting,
the
sir.
facts.
I am only asking you, why do you
don't
have a
want to
problem with
listen
the
to
truth?
facts.
You are giving the facts, contradicting yourself, exposing yourself.
Who denies?
Just one sentence.
No, who denies? Who is exposing? Let the viewers decide. You are not my judge out here. But the point is that, do you want to trivialize an issue which was settled long before even India became
Ratan
as a
Sharda,
nation?
why are you trivializing this? Answer
There
Kamruzaman
were so
Chaudhary.
many violent
Just
incidents
two
in the
sentences.
past.
Kamruji, just two sentences.
This
One,
is not this thing.
Muslims have been living happily in India. Why should they
a person
identify
who has
Aurangzeb?
died 300
We
years
identify
ago,
Aurangzeb.
now you want to identify the present day Muslims with
Kamruji,
Aurangzeb. How foolish
Kamruji,
of
you
you.
do not identify with Aurangzeb, right? Problem is not with Muslims. Problem with the Muslims who identify themselves as Aurangzeb.
You want a
They
debate
are
on
equally
Zazia
happy
and
and oppressed.
Zakat also?
They have also
I'm
faced
ready to place
atrocities.
with the facts.
They got converted.
What was Zazia and what is
The
Zakat?
Indian Muslims
Debate
were
on that.
converted.
If Hindus
Why
were taxed,
should
so
they
were the
identify with
Muslims.
Aurangzeb? That is the plain statement. They should identify
अरे
the
don't
Indian
tell the
people.
conversion
With the
issue.
people who
वो सब
lived
छोड़
under the
दीजिए, वो सब
atrocity of
छोड़
Aurangzeb.
दीजिए. You
They
just tell
also
me,
suffered
Mr.
our
Ratan
atrocities.
Shada, how
So
the
why
present
are
day
you
Muslims
saying-
are responsible
why
for
should
what
they say-
Aurangzeb
they are
did
not.
300, 400
If
years
they
ago.
celebrate Aurangzeb, then they are. Those who do not celebrate Aurangzeb, they are not. You are not.
The Prime Minister
You
of
are
our
not.
country
Any
says
Muslim
Aurangzeb
doesn't
ke aulad.
celebrate
The Deputy
Aurangzeb.
Chief
It's
Minister
not
of the
against
state
Hindus.
says
It is
Aurangzeb
people
ke
who
aulad.
deliberately
You want to link the
identify with
Muslims with
Aurangzeb.
Aurangzeb?
It is not Muslims, it is people who identify with Aurangzeb. Do you identify with Aurangzeb? No. Neither do I. Nor any Muslim who believes that he also felt
That's why you do not change
of
Mughal
Aurangzeb.
Sarai.
No, I don't think- I
you do
don't
not
think-
change Mughal Sarai.
entire problem
You do
is
not want to
that you
rename
want to identify
Aurangabad.
with the
You do not want to
oppressor,
change
with
a
Aurangzeb,
Mughal
not with
name
the Indian people,
just because
because
of
you are
your
also
hate
Indian,
and
you also
bigoted
suffered
attitude
the same
towards
way
the
as other
Muslims.
But this is not about
Only you
hate
converted, you
and
did not.
bigoted
Party
attitude.
stands
This
in
is the
line
truth.
with
You
your
said it
hate
yourself.
against
Now, 1 minute. Let's have some order here, please. 1 minute. Ratan Sharda, Kamruzaman Chaudhary. Now, 1 minute. Let me read out to you verbatim. Kamruzaman Chaudhary, listen to this. And Faizan Mirza, you are acting like Kamruzaman Chaudhary's cheerleader. So don't do that. I have questions for you. You prepare. No, prepare yourself to answer those questions.
Yes, I have prepared
I'm
myself.
coming to you. Great.
Yes.
Recalling the Mughal rule of Aurangzeb 4 centuries back, Prime Minister Modi said, and I'm quoting, at that time a wave of religious fanaticism had swept the country. Hindustan, which considered religion as a matter of philosophy, science and soul searching, was confronted with people who had crossed all limits of violence and atrocities in name of religion. In those circumstances, listen to this carefully, Kamruzaman Chaudhary. In those circumstances, a big hope for saving the identity of India emerged in form of Guru Tegh Bahadur. Against the cruel thought of Aurangzeb at that time, Guru Tegh Bahadur stood like a rock. इसमें क्या दिक्कत है?
Historical facts.
क्या प्रॉब्लम है सर इसमें? क्या बिगटरी है बताइए? इस्लामोफोबिया कहाँ है इसमें बताइए?
It's a historical fact that nobody can deny.
Pranesh, now you identify the present day Muslims as Aurangzeb ka aulad.
I
you
don't.
bring it consciously.
I don't.
What happened
I
700
don't.
years
That's your
ago.
assumption.
You try to correct.
No.
You try to
Stop
correct.
misleading people. First of all, Kamruzaman
No,
Chaudhary.
that is
You're
the
misleading
assumption.
people.
No, that is the fact.
Okay, let me put this to Faizan Mirza. Do you identify yourself with Aurangzeb?
Try to change.
Do you have? No, 1 minute.
Kamruzaman
Kamruzaman Chaudhary, 1 minute, sir. 1 minute. सवाल तो पूछने दीजिए, sir. 1 minute.
You will not change
Kamruzaman
the
Chaudhary,
from
sir.
Mughal
You
names.
can't talk over me. Then we can't have a debate. Faizan Mirza, do you keep Aurangzeb's photo in your wallet?
No.
In your pocket? Somewhere
No.
in your car, bike,
Not
sticker,
at all.
घर पे कहीं कुछ है?
Not at all.
Do you
Not at
identify
all.
with
कहीं पर-
Aurangzeb?
कहीं पर भी.
तो ये कमरुज़मान क्यों बोल रहे हैं कि औरंगजेब आर लिंक टू मुस्लिम्स? क्यों बोल रहे हैं? व्हाई आर यू नॉट ऑब्जेक्टिंग? आप बोलिए इनको कि ये गलत बोल रहे हैं.
औरंगजेब को विवादास्पद बनाकर आप लोग ही जोड़ रहे हैं.
Kamruzaman Chaudhary,
पहली बात.
let Faizan
दूसरी
Mirza
बात.
answer. I know
दूसरी
you want
बात.
to help him answer, but let him answer,
दूसरी बात.
please.
No, first
दूसरी
let,
बात,
No, let him answer, please. Kamruzaman Chaudhary, let's not do this, please.
दूसरी
Don't
बात ये है-
derail the debate, please.
Deputy CM of
I'll have to lower the
Maharashtra
fader,
has to
sir. Kamruzaman Chaudhary,
for
please.
calling the Muslims of India.
दूसरी
Mr.
बात ये है
Mirza,
कि यहाँ
can you
पर-
answer for yourself? Yes.
यस यस
Please बताइए
दूसरी
सर.
बात ये है कि यहाँ पर हिस्ट्री की बात चल रही है। अभी आपने भी हिस्ट्री की बात की, आपने हिस्ट्री बताई 4th सेंचुरी के बारे
हिस्ट्री
में।
नहीं, बिगेटरी
मैं-
टिरनी की
मैं-
बात चल रही है उस पे, उसके
आप
बाद अगर आपको कोई
कीजिए
कंफ्यूजन है
ना।
तो मैं फिर से
मैं
रिपीट
आपको रिसेंट बात बताता हूँ। रिसेंट बात ये है कि औरंगजेब के मजार पर भले ही प्रधानमंत्री जी चादर नहीं बेचते हो, लेकिन वो नवाज शरीफ की माँ को साड़ी गिफ्ट करते हैं, नवाज शरीफ के घर में जाकर बिरयानी खाते हैं। वो उनको चलेगा, वो उनको चलेगा। उससे वो
क्या connection है?
उस चीज को कैसे जस्टिफाई करेंगे?
नहीं, क्या
आप
connection
उस चीज को कैसे जस्टिफाई करेंगे?
ये क्या लॉजिक है रतन शारदा? रतन शारदा, ये क्या लॉजिक है?
यही तो लॉजिक है, यही तो लॉजिक है, यही तो लॉजिक है। यही तो चश्मा सबके आंखों पर लगा हुआ है, यही तो चश्मा सबके आंखों पर लगा हुआ है जो उतर जाएगा 2024 में। उतरना चाहिए।
मोदी जी was at his diplomatic best.
राहुल ईश्वर, let रतन शारदा आंसर, I'll come to you.
शरीफ के घर पर बिरयानी
मिस्टर मिर्जा, आपने कुछ पॉइंट बोला, रतन शारदा जवाब दे रहे, सुनिए।
इसीलिए आपका ये हालत है, आपको डिप्लोमेटिक मिशन में और आपको इतिहास में फर्क नहीं पता। आपको इस ऐसे जरिंदे के बारे में नहीं पता जिसने लाखों लोगों को कत्ल कर दिया वर्सेस एक प्रधानमंत्री के घर जाना। प्रधानमंत्री के घर जाना इज नॉट इक्वल टू औरंगजेब को सलाम करना। आप कहाँ भी सब कर रहे हैं?
बिरयानी खाई
क्यों
नहीं?
प्रधानमंत्री क्यों नहीं?
बिरयानी क्यों खाई?
प्रधानमंत्री
बिरयानी क्यों खाई? देश के दुश्मन के घर में जाकर बिरयानी क्यों खाई? हिंदुस्तान के दुश्मन के घर में जाकर बिरयानी क्यों खाई?
आप डिप्लोमेसी को आप औरंगजेब से कंपेयर करते हैं,
क्यों खाई?
आप डिप्लोमेसी को औरंगजेब से कंपेयर करते हैं। See, he is just trying to divert that debate. Don't forget.
To allow him to divert. हिंदुस्तान के दुश्मन, एक मिनट, हिंदुओं का दुश्मन था कि नहीं औरंगजेब? मिस्टर मिर्जा, आपको हिंदुस्तान के दुश्मन की पड़ी है। औरंगजेब किसका दुश्मन था? हिंदू आस्था का दुश्मन था। कंडेम कीजिए, आप बोलिए शरद पवार शुड हैव कंडेम्ड औरंगजेब एंड द पर्सन हु वाज वेविंग हिज पोस्टर। बोलिए, यू आर ऑन टेस्ट, पीपल आर वाचिंग, बताइए।
I am telling only one thing.
No,
इसका जवाब दीजिए।
say 5 things.
नवाज शरीफ के घर
आप
में
बोलिए, नवाज शरीफ के लिए जो मोदी जी ने किया वो गलत है, औरंगजेब के लिए जो हो रहा है वो गलत है, ऐसे बोलिए, क्योंकि शरद पवार ने कंडेम नहीं किया है। शरद पवार आपके नेता है, शरद पवार आपके नेता है। मिस्टर मिर्जा, इज शरद पवार योर लीडर और नॉट?
रतन शारदा जी ने
You're not answering the question. You're not answering the question. Mr. Mirza, you're not answering the question. एक ही सवाल पूछ रहा हूं मैं।
आपको जवाब दे,
मैं भी तो एक ही सवाल पूछ रहा हूं ना।
आप बोलिए ना, आपको जवाब दे दिया रतन शारदा ने। औरंगजेब कौन था? क्या वो हिंदू आस्था के खिलाफ नहीं था? Did he not hurt religious sentiments, Hindu sentiments? मिस्टर मिर्जा,
नवाज शरीफ ने किसकी चमड़ी उधेड़ी थी? संभाजी की चमड़ी किसने उधेड़ी थी? संभाजी की आंखें किसने फोड़ी थी? नवाज शरीफ ने
हिंदुस्तान को
संभाजी को एक
मिनट, इफ यू हैड टू चूज, अच्छा एक बात बताइए, ओके, लेट मी आंसर योर क्वेश्चन इन योर ओन स्टाइल। रतन शारदा, 1 मिनट, लेट्स कॉल आउट द ब्लफ। मिस्टर मिर्जा, नवाज शरीफ और औरंगजेब में ज्यादा बड़ा बिगट कौन है? इफ यू थिंक नवाज शरीफ इज,
आज की तारीख में तो नवाज शरीफ है।
आज के तारीख में, देखिए यही तो प्रॉब्लम है, तारीख नहीं पढ़ी ना आपने, हिस्ट्री की दिक्कत है, तो इसीलिए आज के तारीख में नवाज शरीफ है। औरंगजेब के मजार पे जाएं, वहां पे चादर चढ़ाएं या जो भी होता है। देखिए मुझे हंसी नहीं आ रही, आप हंस सकते हैं, बिकॉज यू नो यू आर हर्टिंग हिंदू सेंटिमेंट्स अगेन मिस्टर मिर्जा। मुझे हंसी नहीं आ रही है। राहुल ईश्वर,
Just one submission. This is shameless whataboutery. Modi ji was at his diplomatic best and showed Arsha Bharata Sanskriti in reaching out to the mother of Nawaz Sharif, who belonged to be a premier of Pakistan. But Aurangzeb is a person who has destroyed temples, insulted Hindus, has all the kind of negative attitude towards Hindus. And this is whataboutery comparing Aurangzeb to Nawaz Sharif. This is absolutely wrong. If you want to celebrate a historical Muslim figure, why don't you celebrate Dara Shikoh? Why don't you celebrate Akbar, who had Din Ilahi and Birbal with him? Why you celebrate celebrate Aurangzeb as a purposeful provocation against the Hindu community and then claim victim card. This is the real issue. There are pluralistic Muslims in our history. You don't want to celebrate them, but you want to pinpoint one Aurangzeb and you have to provoke Hindus, then later say that you are victims. This is absolutely undone. Celebrate good, historical, pluralistic, harmonious Muslims like Dara Shikoh, who was very hell-bent on Hindu-Muslim unity. But you want to purposefully celebrate Aurangzeb so that there can be a controversy.
Let's give the last word on this debate to Waris Pathan. Waris bhai, will you condemn what is happening in Maharashtra? The Aurangzeb carnival that we are seeing?
Why this is happening? Why this is happening?
Begin by condemning it, then ask why this is happening, because you will not take action against the leaders and the people who are Aurangzeb fans.
If you allow me to make my point, I will. If you want to
sure, make your point, Waris bhai. आप ही का शो है वारिस भाई, ऐसे मत कोई एजेंडा नहीं है वारिस भाई, बोलिए आप.
बिल्कुल, तो then let me make my point. Quite simple. Pranesh, it's quite simple that BJP knows that the teaser and trailer of the film is released. Bye bye Modi 2024. They have lost Karnataka. Now they have no option. They don't have anything to show on development beyond what we have seen for the name of Vikas.
So,
what they have done. So now they have come to polarizing tactics, which was the reason.
Okay, so are you suggesting to take on Modi? To take on Modi, Waris Pathan. To take on Modi, AIMIM is pulled out the Aurangzeb card.
No, why should we pull out? I say we have nothing to do with that. They are not our
अभी
people.
तो आप बोल रहे हैं सर. Did the BJP ask Akbaruddin Owaisi to?
You connect with the MIM.
Did the BJP ask Akbaruddin Owaisi? Shweta Shalini, did your party ask Akbaruddin Owaisi to go to Aurangzeb's tomb?
The Hindu Sangathan. No, you declare it as we should not go there. Why do you take out a circular? Why do you make it a ASI protected monument? We will not go if the Modi says that no, the circular is now there, nobody should go there. Don't visit there. But you don't do that. You want to polarize the
What is there to declare? Waris Pathan, Sartan is outlawed. Sartan se juda is outlawed. फिर भी बोल रहे हैं आपके नेता.
You don't want to condemn the BJP MLA statement.
I condemn it, sir. I am condemning it. Any form of violence. No, 1 minute. I am condemning Mr. Pathan. Be under no illusion. No, 1 minute. I want to place it on record, Mr. Pathan. I am condemning it.
Condemning does not.
I am condemning it. Let Shweta Shalini answer for a party. I am condemning it. Shweta Shalini, 30 seconds, then we are moving on.
What action will be taken against that person by the party who calls for the genocide by saying that Talwar
Waris bhai has clearly said that they have taken out the Aurangzeb card to fight Modi. And this is exactly what we are saying, that they are politicizing a tyrant, a criminal, because they themselves believe that the only way to fight Modi and his development tactics, the people of India, is to actually go and stand behind the criminal.
Let's hope we are out of time on this one. Let's hope this Aurangzeb carnival ends in the country once and for all, because India does not need an Aurangzeb league or Aurangzeb lobby. Call it what you want to. We are done with Aurangzeb. Enough of all this. I thank all of you for joining us. We are moving on.